How to record the screen and yourself at the same time on Tella. The first thing you want to do once on Tella.tv, you can either choose to record using the browser option or you can choose to install the app. And by the way, if you don't have Tellas yet, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get Tella. From here, let's say for example, I would like to use the app. I'm going to go down to the bottom right hand corner, then we're just going to tap on the Tella icon. After you have done that, from there you can select the camera that you'd like to use. So I'm going to be using my iPhone camera and you can see it right there. Now to record your screen, all you'll need to do is simply select the screen that you want. So for example, let's say this browser page. And from there, all I'll need to do now is simply tap on record. By the way, you have different options that you can also choose from. So for example's sake, if I were to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, from there you can select settings. After you have selected settings, you can select the quality. You can also choose whether you'd like to show your cursor and if you'd like to record your computer audio. And from here you can also choose the camera quality and the microphone. And if you were to select general, you can see other options that you can also choose from when it comes onto Tella. So there are numerous options that you can select from to quickly edit it. So once you have selected those options and everything is to your liking, all you need to do now is simply tap on the red dot. And from there you will be able to start your recording. You can see a quick countdown and you can start recording and it will show your screen. And you'll also see yourself and you can choose different screens that you would like to record, as you can see right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.